How to remove back button on screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you're using a Samsung phone and you want to remove the back button or all the buttons from your phone screen, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove back button on screen on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Once open the settings app, on the settings page, just scroll down, click on display. Now, once you select the display, scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to notification bar, then go ahead and click on that. Here, you can change from buttons to gesture or from gestures to button. Now, to remove back button, all you just need to do is locate swipe gestures and then select that. Then you should see the back button removed from the screen. Then if you click on buttons again, you should see the buttons reappear on the screen. So to remove them, just switch to swipe gestures and then hit the back button. Now, when next you want to use your Samsung Galaxy phone, you then need to make use of the gesture, just like this. Or when you want to go back from any app screen, just hit the back button just like this. Like this. So that is basically how to remove back button on screen in Samsung. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.